In tonight's follow-up file, the woman awaiting a retrial for hiring an undercover detective to kill her husband 7 years ago was back in court today. And that's when a witness who did not testify in the first trial was cross-examined. Local 10 News reporter Carlos Suarez takes us inside the courtroom.
The witness is the man at the center of the case against Dalia Dippolito, her ex-lover, and the informant who arranged the meeting between her and an undercover cop. Attorneys for Dalia Dippolito argued Mohamed Sihade never wanted to be a part of the case. They claimed detectives pressured him to the point that he held his ex-lover at gunpoint in a restaurant if she didn't go through with the hit.
I don't know her family, and if I pulled a gun, I'm pretty sure there were people eating in the restaurant that would have probably called 911.
Did you ever do that? Did she ever tell you that she didn't want to go through and have her husband not killed? Never.
The testimony is the latest twist in a 2009 case that included a staged murder scene that became part of an episode on the reality show Cops. The highly publicized case featured undercover video of Dippolito talking to a detective who was posing as a hitman.
I'm going to tell you how I'm going to do it and what exactly is going to be done.
You plan on it already. I'm positive, like 5,000% sure.
On Tuesday, Sihade looked at phone records that show the hundreds of calls he made to Dippolito at the behest of detectives. Wiretaps, the defense says, are nowhere to be found.
Were you wired when you made those phone calls? I don't know if I was wired, but I did at the first trial. I guess when they made me listen to phone calls, I didn't know I was being recorded.
Dippolito was convicted in 2014, but the verdict was overturned. She never testified, and her attorney at the time argued the murder for hire was an attempt by the couple to score a reality TV show.
The testimony today of the undercover informant established that he was pressured, coerced, intimidated, and threatened to be prosecuted unless he continued in this investigation.
The informant never testified in the case. Now, Dippolito is expected to take to the stand next month, at which point the judge will decide whether or not the charges will be dropped. Reporting in West Palm Beach, I'm Carlos Suarez, Local 10 News.